Metals started the week with a little recovery after a bigger sharp decline for the last 2 days for the last week. Now, a little retracement is there in cards. Can we expect a further rise with the US session? Because definitely, despite little bullishness here, we can definitely see that the momentum is missing here on the upside, and there is little struggle we can see both from gold and silver on the upside. So, can we expect a rise? Can we say that the metals are going to break this barrier, and how far it is going to rise? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day. The next update will be released tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss to watch that. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. If you look at the move in gold, you can find out, see how it has been trading. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Very clear, it is trading in this bearish channel. The top of the channel is towards 26 75 70, or rather I will say 25 74 76 zone. This is going to be a prime resistance zone, and this is going to be an achievable level as well. Now what's happening on the hourly charts? Now precedingly, you can see it has formed a very good base, very good support now at 26 52 55 zone. This is going to be the prime support zone, and only bearishness in gold is if you see it trading below 26 52 55. And now also on the hourly charts, what you can see here is it is taking support from the 20 period moving average. So first support zone at 26.58, and you can sell there. Expect 26.55 and 26.52 as the two support levels. Below this only you can say that the bears will be back in action. Now see what has happened on the hourly charts. The Bollinger Bands has narrowed, and now the move is going to be expanding in nature, where the bands are going to expand. We can look forward to a move towards 2670 as the first target, 7476 as the next, and then the most important one at 2680. If these three levels are taken, certainly you can say that the bulls are back in gold. Stochastic overbought, MACD hitting the lows. It is crossed over at the bottom, rising here. RSI rising as well. Coming to 2 hours, on the 2 hour chart, see why 64 66 is important. The crossover here is bearish. The prices are now hitting the 20 period moving average, and this complete zone till 2680 is very crucial for gold. How it behaves within this zone is going to be watched out for, because see, hitting this zone is where the reversal might start. And see, tomorrow and day after tomorrow we have not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but the midweek we have the Fed meeting. This may definitely because the traders are waiting for the outcome of the Fed and the Powell's commentary, that is going to bring the volatility here. But right now I can say it may try to retrace in this zone, it can try to come back in this zone, and at that point we'll see how it behaves. That will be the confirmation whether it wants to completely reverse or it is just a retracement. Stochastic back to overbought. See, the MACD after falling sharp has now crossed over. It is trading with divergence, looking upwards, trading bullish. The RSI is coming out of the oversold zone as well. And likewise on the 3 hour, the observation is similar. Straight bullish candle, increasing body size. And here, this is what I had said, 2670 first, then 74, 76 second, and 2680 third. It is possible that gold might fall within this zone. It would definitely like to achieve this zone. That is what it appears from charts. If not today, then tomorrow. But yes, it might try to test this level, and it is important for gold to break here towards 2688 in order to confirm another round of rise above 2700. Let's watch out this. Right now the moving averages have crossed over. This is definitely a bearish sign. If you look at the stochastic, this is back to overbought zone. The MACD after retracing towards the bottom, it's trying to converge, crossover for a rise. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, increasing body size, and the current candle will decide. Because see, if it breaks now beyond 26 64 66, stay bullish. You can look forward to 70 first, 74 76 second, and then 80 levels here. Very good resistance available till 2680. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge, RSI is comfortable here. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily chart. See what has happened here. Look at this candle, then consolidation, another round of rise, almost a double top, and then the retracement. Now post retracement, what it is delivering, see, it is important to note it has failed to break this consolidation zone. It is very important for gold to trade below 626 2620 zone in order to confirm another round of drop. Else what is happening right now, it is retrace and it is again trying to bounce back. So possibly where it closes today is going to be of importance. It is possible that it may try to hit the lower highs. It can in fact move towards, if it breaks beyond 2688 any point of time today, tomorrow we can see another round of rise which is going to take it towards 2700 levels here. If you look at the stock ISIC, this has dropped towards the bottom. The MACD is in green, the RSI is rising. So looking at, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now I'll recommend you to buy gold at 2666. When you see the lower price about 2666, expect 2670, 71 as the first target, 74, 76 at the next, and 2680 as the third. See, every 50 pips you will find a greater resistance till 2680. Once 2680 is taken, the chances will be high that gold might try to move towards 86, 88 zone, the next target. And if that is taken, certainly you are looking forward to 2700 and above levels. If not today, then tomorrow. Yes, possibility is there. On the downside, I will recommend a selling and at 2657.5, but then also 2654.52 should be a very good support. Slight bearishness may prevail if it drops below 2654.52 zone, and if that is taken, possibility is high that we may see 2647.45 levels as the next. And if 2647.45 is taken, stay short for 2638, 2630, and then 2620 levels. I think today it might not happen. It might try to continue with this retracement trend. I do not see a reversal. I do not see a drop below 2640 any point of time. But yes, these are markets. If it trades below 2654.52, certainly more bearishness should prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. It is drops, then again round of drop, and this is a bounce back. So it is very crucial for silver to now trade above 30.85 and 31. If these two levels are taken, it is bound to rise more towards 31.50, 40 levels. Possibility is there that now we are looking forward to a move which is going to take it towards 30.85. And that is the point at which you can initiate a buying entry. Else right now I can see the momentum on the upside is missing. See what has happened after this bigger decline, it is trading under retracement, and it is very important for it to break this zone. Let's see if it breaks this zone. The stock ISIC near to top, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to look at the 2-hour charts. The moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. And see what has happened here. Drop, then another round of drop. Now this is the bounce back. Let it break this threshold here towards 30.85, 31. That will confirm the round of rise towards 31.20, 31.50 levels. Possibility is there, but right now I can sense that the on the upside, the resistances are pretty strong here. Look at the candle sizes. The body sizes are diminishing. It is finding a bit of a struggle here at 30.70 levels itself. So in fact, once you see silver, that is the lower price above 30.70, initiate a buying entry, expect 30.85 and then 31 as the next target. The stock ISIC rising. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trying to trade with bullishness, trying to bounce back from here. RSI is coming out of the oversold zone as well. On the 3-hour, the observation is more or less same. I can see a good consolidation has happened here on the downside towards 30.50 levels, and this has become a very good support. And thus only bearishness is if you see the higher price below 30.50, 30.40 levels, you can say now silver is reversing and we are looking forward to another round of drop. But else you can see a very good support, very good consolidation has happened, and it may try to move now towards 30.80 or in fact 31 levels. So yes, if you see the lower price above 30.70, you can initiate a buying entry. Stock ISIC near to top, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish cross happening after series of bearishness. It can try to pull the prices little up. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, the crossover here is very important. It is happening after a while here. See, this was the bullish cross. The bearish cross last time where we had seen, ideally this was the last time when we had seen the bearish cross towards the beginning of the month of November. And since then, what has happened, you can notice yourself, a drop, a retracement, a drop, and now waiting for it to trade below 30. That is the only level below which the bearishness will prevail. Now today's charts, if you see, What has happened? Drop, little retracement, then drop, and it is trying to bounce back. How high? It is possible that it can move closer towards 31, and if it breaks beyond 31, you can expect 31.20 and 31.40.50 levels. 31.40.50, which was the resistance earlier, is now again going to be a critical resistance for silver to break past by. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit the bottom here, trying to converge crossover for a rise, and the RSI is rising as well. Coming to look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, one very important thing here is, see these two levels, which are very good support. With that as support, it is trying to rise. It has already seen a rise earlier, and now it is trying to trade in this zone. It is very important to note how it behaves at around 31.40.50 is going to be something which is very, very critical for silver here. Now, first thing is whether it can move towards 31.50 or not. For the day, if you see the lower price above 30.70, you can initiate a buying entry, expect 30.85, 31, 31.20. And if these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 31.40.50, and beyond that, sky is the limit in the near future. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, with the Fed, possibly it could try to show a little momentum here. The stochastic has hit an oversold zone. The MACD has crossed over for sell. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy 30.70. When you see the lower price above 30.70, initiate a buying 85, 31, 31.20, and 31.40.50. If these levels are taken, stay bullish for 32 again. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 30.50 levels. And 30.50, when I mean, it is only the higher price excluding the spread sets to be below 30.50, when you can expect, see 30.50, 30.40, it has to break below this, we can expect 30.20 and 30. If these three levels are taken any point of time, if silver trades below 30, stay short for 29.60.70 at the first target zone, 29.40 at the second, and then below that a crash is expected here. Right now I can see it is trying to retrace, and see the crossover here is important. Moving averages are looking downwards. Certainly it's a bearish sign, but for the day it is on the retracement path, and it could try to rise a little. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asian Europe session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.